Welcome to another video from East Beds Bushcraft, the home of #survival. So today I am here to put the roof purlings onto the trader stand and to put the door flaps in on both of the lodges. There we go. It's a very murky, misty day today down in the village, and it's pretty bloody cold as well, excuse my French. So let's get on with the job. we now have the door flaps on the lodges, and we have the purlins ready for some canvas on the trader's table. And as you can see, they work really well. What we're going to do is, obviously they're going to need to get weathered. The old sun's going down, bless it, look at that sun on this misty day. They're going to get weathered, but I've had my log burner going in here today. Let's just open the flap. There we go. See my little log burner around there, and that's kept the place toasty warm, toasty warm. So what I'd like to do is, these are going to get weathered, they're going to get rained on, they get stretched out, any wrinkles and creases in them will kind of drop out, and then I think we'll paint onto them kind of runic spells, like protective spells for the lodges. You know, if you were living there, you might wish to protect the entrance to your lodge from evil spirits from entering. So I think they will, and then of course when they're weathered and faded over the next couple of months, I think that'll look pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let's just go out and give you a sweep of the village. So there we go, lodge number 1, which is the Fletcher's Lodge. We have the trader's table, and over there with the setting sun behind it is the Hero's Lodge. Then all we need to add is over in this corner just here, we're going to put the Hunter's Lean-To, and as I've said in previous videos, we need to get a fire pit in the middle for our villagers. I'm going to put together a hand-drawn cart which can sit next to the lodge and can be brought down the trackway into the village, and then it's really basically set dress in the village for things such as baskets and logs and maybe some skins on frames, and of course getting the people in, and it's going to look great.
Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video and subscribe to the East Beds Bushcraft channel. See you all again soon.